Hi guys. Okay, I'm back to the river here. Oh, and you'll notice down here I have no shoes on, and there they are there. So you can see why. So I'm going to throw these shoes over my shoulder and hope that they don't fall in the water. As you can see, oops, just turn this. Anyway, you can see there's my booties. So I'll give this a shot and hope that I don't fall in. Got my socks in my pocket. I'm sure the water's cold. Oh man, hard on the feet, I'll tell you that, boss. Holy crap. Ow. Oh, I bet you this water's freezing. Oh shit, is it ever? I mean, shoot, sorry. It's deep here too, boys and girls. Holy mackerel. Ooh. Ooh. Ow, ow, ow. Oh. Yep. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Ouch. Oh. Throw these on the shore in case I fall. Holy mackerel. Oh, is that cold in the feet? Oh, that's hard in the feet. Oh, I made it. Oh, holy mackerel. Oh, crap. My poor feet. Oh. Oh, well, I should see if I can. Let's see. I'll wait till I get to the car. Oh, man. It's a little softer here. Anyway, yeah. Yep. Oh, get up here where there's some grass and I can walk on the grass. Hopefully nothing. Yeah, the car's not too far away. Oh, wow. My poor feet. It's not too bad. Not too good, but not too bad. Oh, I'm just not used to. My sister used to go without shoes and socks. Oh, wow, I don't know if I can make it. I may have to put my socks and shoes on. Yeah. Getting closer. Oh. The car is just up here. Oh. Whew. Okay, let's get over here. Oh, man, is that hurting the feet? Oh. Holy mackerel, I wouldn't want to have to do this for a long distance, I'll tell you that. Oh, I see the car. We're getting closer. Oh, wow. My feet are freezing. I hope I don't step on any thorns or anything. As you can see, a little easier in the feet than them rocks, I'll tell you. Oh, wow. Yeah, we're getting closer. There's the car. Oh, back on that. Better not walk in the horse poop. Get over here. Yeah, oh man. Oh, poor feet. Oh, ouch. Oh, ow. Anyway, guys, oh, my poor feet. Anyway, see. Anyway, guys, I'm here. Give her a thumbs up, ring the bell, subscribe, comments down below. See you next video. Bye bye. Get a boo where I came from.